Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 5th, 2017, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the economic news coming up for today at 10:30 South African time, we have a GBP Services PMI number coming out. And then at 4 o'clock South African time, USD ISM non-manufacturing PMI number coming out. So let's see if this affects the markets, but let's see what's been going on and what happened towards the end of last week with the non-farm payroll. So we're going to start here with the Euro USD still hanging at its top of the range at 112.58, as you can see here. Did not recede, after we had this nice rally, did not come in. But let's see if there's going to be a correction perhaps today. If there's going to be a little bit of a retracement here. As you see, we're starting to go below this 1258-ish level. It is a bit of a resistance. Our next major resistance, I would say, is 114.32. So we're not that far away from it. We're only about 180 pips away from it. So, I'd like to see a little bit of a continuation here, just to show us that this is truly getting stronger, and perhaps we could even, see it continue going up even further. But there may be a correction here, so just keep in mind as the week progresses. Looking at gold, which is probably the major player here, at 1280. Beautiful move last week, despite the fact that the markets rallied. Okay, the Dow Jones, we'll see that in a second. DAX is on all-time highs again. So despite that, the gold continued to rally, so it's trading at 1280. It was a beautiful move to 1220. We mentioned this last week, and we just took out this 1271 level on Friday. So, I'd like to see again some continuation. Our next real major resistance level, if we look at a daily chart, is at 1300. 1300 was where we topped off before we sold off sharply, and now we're just coming right back up. So a beautiful move for gold, and if you're able to catch it, good for you. Looking at GBP USD, we're just below this 129-ish level, trading at 128.72. Like I said, it's going to be choppy trading here. General elections coming up June 9th for England, so things are going to be calm before the storm, so just anticipate it. Okay, so if you're in any major positions in GBP USD, maybe you'd like to size down or close the position as things get unsettled closer to the election date. So see how that actually projects as the week unfolds. But the major player here is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones trading past, our all-time highs of 21,150-ish level. We're trading here at 21,195, heading up a little bit even higher. So I'd like to see some continuation. Like I said here, we look like we're just selling off a little bit here. Let's see if there will be continuation today in the markets as the markets open. The DAX, sure enough, opened up on its highs, as you can see here, 12,840. That's what we ended up the week one. We made even a little bit of a higher high. But this is really something to write home about as we rally towards the end of the week. Now, non-farm payrolls came out last Friday. Very positive news for the United States. So things should be continuing going in the positive for the U.S. So I'd keep an eye on this to see how this unfolds during this week. No major positions, I would say, for Monday morning, but things may start picking up, especially in gold, especially in the Dow Jones, and especially in the Euro USD. This is Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.